Alright, I wanted to show off a few of the attributes, I guess you'd say, to this pack. The dead tube coral, dead brain coral, dead bubble, dead fire, dead horn. There's different ways you can use them. One, just set it on the ground. But what's cool is you can put the light, the end rod, also down with it, and use it as a light. Which, this is the only one that it kind of doesn't work, sort of. It kind of does, it kind of don't. Like, you can see it right there. But I don't guess it's too bad, really. And then this one, it works quite well as a light source. It just pops in right there. And this one works out really, really good. See? Just lights up right inside of there. Makes a nice looking light. I think, yeah, this is pretty much the only one it doesn't work like that for. You can also put them on the wall, which makes a half block on that one, a half block with an angle on that one, half block with an angle, shut up cat, half block. Yeah, pretty much most of them are half blocks except for this one, which I think this one has random pictures. Let's see, does it? Yes. Yeah, it's random. See, you get a different picture. Which I did that a lot of randoms. And actually, I think, oops, wrong one. Yeah, that one does random also. And so does that one actually. So you get a lot of mileage just off of one block. This is what you can do with the dead tube coral fans. You can't put the light, unfortunately. It sticks to the outside of those. And with those, it actually sticks on the top. That's pretty crazy. Never paid attention to that before. I guess that's alright. Alright, anyways, yep. That's what I was wanting to show y'all. I'd like to show you some of the new sound effects. You'll have to excuse the frickin' cat. I'm not used to doing voiceovers on my videos. I apologize. Well, I just wanted to show you some of the sound effects that'll be in a future update eventually. I'm still working on them. Which actually, I've got, which I can't remember if this sound, I can't remember if this is in the original download or not for the blaster. I don't think it is actually. So this is another one of the sound effects. But yeah, just an update video. I'll probably get better at talking through these through time. Alright, hope you're enjoying the pack. It would be great for some comments or feedback. Thank you.